Hello everyone, in today's video we shall be making soybeans kebab right here from my African village. Our main ingredients is soya beans. I've already taken out the stones and the bad ones, so I'll go ahead and wash these soya beans and then I'll soak it inside water for about 6 hours. If you can soak yours overnight, that is okay. I've washed and soaked the beans. We'll see how it looks like in 6 hours time. This is our soya beans after 6 hours. As we can see, it has doubled in size. It's now time for us to blend the soya beans. So we'll take it out of this water and then we'll rinse it one more time and we'll go ahead and blend it. I'll divide this into two and I'll use the other part to make soya milk. I will add enough water to it so that it can blend easily. So I'll go and blend this and then I'll show you what it looks like. I've finished blending and this is what we have. I will be using this cheesecloth to extract the milk, so I've gone ahead and I've placed it inside the pot. I'll be adding enough water to it so that it will be easier for us to extract the milk using the cheesecloth. Kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel for more valuable content. At this point, I'm extracting the milk from the soya beans, so the chaff will remain in the cheesecloth. So this is our milk. I'll place it on fire as soon as the fire is ready. And this is the chaff from the soya beans. We are not going to throw this away. We shall be using it to feed our fowls and guinea fowls. Please, if there's any other way we can use this, kindly let us know in the comment section. And this is the consistency of our milk. I will be using this as coagulant. I extracted this water from the water I used to boil kenaf. If you don't know what kenaf is, I'll leave a picture of it on the screen. So after I boil the kenaf, the water from it is very sour. So that is what I'll be using. As soon as we see that the milk starts to boil, we see some bubbles on it, then we need to start sprinkling our sour water in it. Right now, I'm sprinkling the sour water in it and I'll make sure that it does not pour. This is where the magic happens. As we can see, the milk has started curdling to form our soybean kebab. When it's all together and the water runs clear, then we know that it is ready. I've already rinsed the cheesecloth, so I'll be using it to collect the cheese from it, then we'll squeeze the water out of it to get our soybean kebab. I'm using this heavy thing to squeeze the water out. This is what we have, so I'll go ahead and place a heavy stone on it so that all the water can come out. I'll be leaving this till the next day. This is evening time, so I'll leave it till the next day. So it's the next day. I'll leave the stone from it and then we'll see how far we've come with our soya beans kebab. Wow guys, all the water has come out. You can see it's very hard. This is how we want it to be. This is the best. With this you can cook it, you can fry it, and nothing will happen to it. I will now go ahead and cut it into the sizes I want. Our soya beans kebab is almost ready. In my village, we sometimes refer it to as soya. Yes, that's how we just call it. So I'm going to place it inside salt water, that's salt solution, so that it can help remove the sour taste from it. I've transferred it to another bowl so that I can season it with these onga spices. So if you are in Ghana, this onga spice is very common. This is what we are going to use to season it, and it will also give it a nice color. After I pour it inside, I'll mix everything together and cover it and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes, so I'll go ahead and fry it. I'm not going to over fry this. I'll just fry it in a way that it will not be too crispy. I'm now turning it for the other side to also fry. Then after that, we'll take it out of the oil and repeat the same process until we finish frying. This is the outcome of our kebab. It looks so lovely. So we'll now go ahead and prepare our sauce. This can actually be taken with soya spice, but in this video I'll be making a simple sauce for our kebab. So this is a mixture of fresh pepper, a little of fresh tomatoes, and some onions. I've also added salt to it to taste. I will allow this to fry for a while, then I'll go ahead and add some vegetables to it. The vegetables I'll be using are onions and green pepper. It's now time to add our kebab to it. So add the kebab to the sauce and we'll coat the kebab with the sauce. Our soya beans kebab is now ready. I'll be using this clean toothpick to arrange some of them since I do not have the kebab stick. So guys, we are done. This is the final outcome of our soya beans kebab. Can you see that it looks so lovely and this tasted so delicious? Please give this a try and thank me later. See you in my next video. Bye.